Hello, I'm James Todd, co-founder and managing director of the British Hamper Company. We're a family business which has been creating very special gift hampers packed with British artisan produce since 2014. This is a raspberry and vanilla jam from Hawkshead Relish in the Lake District. These are mouth-wateringly good cheese biscuits from Edinburgh. And this is a superb fudge from Cornwall, Great Taste Award winning, it's my favourite. We also love using produce that's local to us. This is Lincolnshire Poacher, a world-renowned cheese made just down the road. You can't beat trying all this brilliant British food, but it does mean we all need a gym membership. Back in 2014, we channeled our family's shared passion for high-quality British produce into an e-commerce business. We were determined to challenge and contemporise the tired traditional gift hamper market, the hampers just for Christmas model. We set out to create hampers for year-round occasions, from Mother's Day to birthdays to thank yous, even virtual events. Without our talented suppliers, we'd be nowhere, and we searched the length and breadth of the country to find the best of British. We also identified huge demand for international gifting, so we built a platform offering worldwide delivery. And the plan is paying off, with 73% year-on-year growth and profitability since 2016. Both businesses and individuals love the British Hamper experience. Our business customers range from national house builders to large software companies who can order thousands of hampers at a time. The remaining half of our sales come from individuals buying for all sorts of gifting occasions, usually for somebody else, but self-gifting is on the rise. Last year, we delivered over 39,000 hampers to over 50 countries worldwide. We've spent a lot of time and money investing in the right systems and processes, building a cracking team, and ensuring our HQ in Lincoln provides a great base for growth. We're also committed to improving sustainability, and we're on a mission to reduce the amount of plastics we use in our business. We've developed a range of over 100 hampers for every occasion and every taste out there. We've seen a huge shift in consumer behaviour, with the explosion of home delivery becoming the new normal, which has boosted our turnover from 942,000 in 2019 to 2.9 million in 2021. We believe we're perfectly positioned to accelerate our year-on-year growth and capitalise on the ever-increasing gifting sector. We're fundraising to kickstart our 3-year plan, which includes developing our BHC membership base of passionate foodies, re-entering the EU market, capitalising on growing US interest in the brand, and investing in a larger B2B sales team and offering business membership packages. We'd really like you to join us as we promote the best of British and take this opportunity to become the global game changer in the food gifting sector.